Upon installation, there are several options available in making the electrical connection. This can either be at the main consumer unit, if spareways in consumer unit and location allows, or by tapping into the incoming supply within the meter cupboard. The wiring regulations require that the supply to the EV charge point is on a dedicated supply, and that, in the event of a fault, the protective device isolates all live conductors, both live and neutral. In this instance, while the MCB is single pole, the RCD is double pole and will isolate the circuit in the event of an earth fault. Alternatively, an RCBO could be used, such as a Deta unit, which switches both live and neutral. Please be aware that not all RCBOs switch the neutral. On a new build development, 100 amp DNO fuses are often installed, although on occasion it can be 80 amp. Generally, a 100 amp DNO fuse will not require load management to be included at the initial build stage. It may become an issue if significant additional loads are subsequently added, and, if necessary, load management can be retrofitted. On a retrofit to an established property, an assessment of the total house load relative to the size of the DNO fuse is required. As many older properties have only a 60 amp DNO fuse, these can be uprated by contacting the local DNO but may be chargeable. Where the DNO fuse is smaller than the potential total load, which would include the new EV charge point, then it may be necessary to reduce the charging current or include load management to ensure the DNO fuse is not exceeded. In many existing properties, adding Henley blocks and a dedicated enclosure to feed the EV charge point is the simplest and most cost-effective solution. However, generally, DNOs do not allow the fitting of a small consumer unit within the meter cupboard. Should you wish to find out more, please visit the Deta.e website. Think evolution, electric, environment, and energy. Think Deta.e.